I'm outside in the circuit court where there's a man from Limerick on trial for an alleged burglary or attempted burglary. Members from Dublin, Ennis, Shannon and Limerick Gardaí are to give evidence. That man is inside in that court, isolated. No member of his family is allowed in. No friend is allowed in. He's on his own in front of the jury, but all the Garda witnesses are allowed in. And there's the court there. All the guards are inside and they're eyeballing him. The guards from Dublin are claiming they don't want their names mentioned, they want to be referred to as numbers. The emergency response from Dublin. The prosecution are calling all Garda witnesses who are allowed into court in front of the accused totally isolated. In my opinion, it's nothing got to do with whether this man is guilty or innocent. It's got to do with a fair trial. This man and other people were under surveillance by the elite from Dublin, at least 40 members of the Gardaí, and when they were detained, they were viciously assaulted. And this is the cover-up. We'll have a jury trial and we'll isolate this man and no one will know what's happening. I'll keep everyone updated. It's a miracle no one was killed by these elite from Dublin, and they're marching in there like robots. We're untouchable.